Am I at a disadvantage if my ex files first in a divorce and custody case? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, it's a very interesting question because the race to the courthouse is something commonly known. A lot of people want to be the first to file. The question is why? Why do they want to be the first to file? Does the concept of being the first to file even make sense in the context of their case? That's really the question. Well, I will tell you this. If there's not children and there's not a lot of assets, I don't think it makes a difference who files first in most cases. Filing first, however, does give you the opportunity to control the narrative. So in other words, if you want to file first and you want to say your ex abused you, the other side can file a claim and say, I didn't abuse her. In fact, she abused me. But you know what? That's not the same as having said it first, because the courts can say, if she's so abusive to you, why didn't you file first? You see, raising your hand and saying, oh, me too, is not the same as somebody coming before the court and stating the narrative. So is there an advantage in filing first? Yes, if the facts are complicated, you get to control the narrative. There is a slight advantage. The court is duty bound to consider both sides equally. So you think, well, shouldn't that protect me? Maybe it will. But you got to understand that you start behind the eight ball once the court already has an impression. Remember, the judge is just a human being. If the other side has gotten a chance to lay out this whole set of facts before you're even involved, is it possible that it might taint the judge's opinion? Yeah, it's possible. So therefore, you shouldn't sit on your hands. If you think your marriage is over, file. Don't play the game. Oh, I'm waiting until they file first. I'm not sure. I don't want to spend the money. I'll spend the money when they spend the money. It's ridiculous because at the end, you're going to spend the money anyway. And you know what's going to happen? The other side will have to control the narrative. They'll have the opportunity, that is, to control the narrative. And you're going to be playing catch up. That may not be the greatest role for you. Now, filing first doesn't guarantee the outcome. It doesn't mean you're going to win your case, but it does give you the opportunity to make that first impression upon the court. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248